Hi guys, it's me UBprogrammer, and today we will see what is nextjs and how it's more powerful than React. Actually, they both are merged. That means React is already merged into nextjs, and we will see the difference. So I will just do a quick Google search. What is React? React is a library. uh it is a JavaScript library used for front end, right? And if I just do a search for what is Next.js, it is a framework that can use React, right? So React on its own can only handle front end, but Next.js can also be handled, be used for backend also. So that means it's a framework, and all the power of React can be used in here, Next.js, and it comes with a lot of other functionalities. For example, why I am uh, moving from React to Next.js. As an example, you can see the next topic was routing. Now for routing, I can use the React. If I want to only use React without Next.js, I have to use React router and all that. That will be really long procedure with nothing powerful or nothing useful than Next.js, because in Next.js is only one click, right? So why I will use uh, the other components of React, or why I even uh, learn them, right? If I can use directly Next.js, that's why they have even merged that. So if I go to react.docs, and these are legacy docs, that means these are previous one, this is new one, react.dev. If I go to learn and I say I want to see the installation or create a new project, you can see we have this command npx create next app. That means CRA is now depreciated and CNA is now used. So NPX create next app, right? So I can just write here. You can see I use this command npx create next app, and my project name next project. And for TypeScript, I said no. ESLint, I said no. That is for testing and all. Tailwind, I said no. Source, I said no. App router, I want to use it because next video is on that, so I said yes. And alias, I said no, and it created me a project. And believe me, it is more faster than CRA. Okay, so if I follow this link, now I have this uh, my server ready with the next uh, framework, and the command to run the server is npm run dev, right? So it is compiled. I hope I will see it here. Okay, so next.js by Vercel, all this, right? And they even tell you how you can get started. Page.js is the main page, but we will see all of this in the next video, how we can modify and use, right? Thanks for watching. I'll meet you in the next one.